I run Create Art School. I help people relax, unwind, unleash their creativity, and make beautiful art. I'm here to tell you about a new video course I'm just launching called Simple Landscape Painting. It's a watercolour course and it tells you how to create 3 lovely simple landscapes in watercolour paint. Really easy, really straightforward, and a great confidence builder if you want to get started painting landscape. You can book on my website createartschool.co.uk, and all you need for the course is some watercolour paint, a little bit of paper and some very basic drawing materials. So I hope to see you soon for simple landscape painting.